Okay, so welcome to the next day here, and today we're going to the top of the mountain here, the Heaven Gate, and also to the old Asian town. But first we're going to start today, of course, with a lot of energy and breakfast. We have a lot of very nice dumplings here. That is looking very inviting here, steaming hot. And then maybe some noodles and some other snacks. So let's check what they have inside here. Fantastic, so we got all this food here. We got some very nice dumplings here. Fresh here, we're gonna dip it in a bit of a chili sauce here. Ooh, that is looking good. Take a look at this. Let's see it here, I hope. It looks very pretty. Let's try it. Pork inside, I think. See if I can have a bite halfway through and show you. It's corn inside actually. Not sure if you can see it, but corn. That's the first time I tried corn and pork. Very nice. Tasty. We have a bit of a shredded potato action going on here as well. Then we have some wontons, it's like soup dumplings. Very hot, you have to be a bit careful. See if I can pick them up here. Maybe you should have a spoon actually. But I will try it without a spoon. Bit tricky. Ooh, steaming hot. Try. With a bit of a white pepper, I think, inside. And we have some nice chilies here as well. Maybe I use the spoon here. Very hot. Very crispy and nice. Then we have, of course, a lot of great pork here. I think it's like shredded. I'm not sure if you can see it inside the bowl here. With some spices in the morning to wake up. The green chili. Very, very nice. And then we got 2 whole eggs here. Wow, that is looking crazy. Take a look at that goodness here. Maybe not the healthiest, but great for you. Let's try. Some oil, but keeps you full. Super rewarding. Yeah, so I'm gonna take my time and enjoy this, and we get a lot of good energy to go and climb the mountain again, go to the old city. It's gonna be a very nice day. So if you wanna keep on watching, follow me, see where we take it, and we'll see you a bit later. So after that pretty amazing breakfast, we're now at the entrance to the Heaven Gate here. That is pretty cool. Look at those mountains in the background, the old buildings, very nice. So apparently up here there is a small gap here, as you can see in the mountain. That's basically the Heavenly Gate. You also actually see the cable cars in the front. We're gonna go that when we go down later, so it's gonna be very exciting. Definitely got some pretty crazy views in the back and all the clouds going away. Really lucky with the weather since it was raining yesterday. It's gonna be a pretty crazy day, I think. Yes, just getting the tickets now, and I'm gonna jump on this first cable car going up, so see you there. Yeah, it's me and the big Chinese tourist group in the background here. Of all the guides touring around. You can see this nice waterfall down here. We're just getting to the entry to the rope car. It's going to be a very nice gap. Hope we get some good views. Wow, so we get up to the top of the mountain now, and you have some pretty crazy views here in the background. As you can see, I'm clearly not alone. There's a lot of people here everywhere, but I can understand why with this view. And you have tourist groups and people everywhere, but those are some pretty spectacular views. Very lucky with the weather actually. Cleared up from the rain yesterday, so I'm just gonna walk around here. We have a lot of cool stuff later to see too. Yeah, I think the background is a bit more peaceful than the actual environment. There are a lot of people and tour groups, but that's how it is. I guess it's very popular, you can't do much about it. But we're gonna continue walking here. I think we're gonna walk on this cool glass bridge later as well, so it's gonna be a very exciting day, that's for sure. Okay, well, so we walked out of that and we come here and you can see the Heaven Gate over here. And I'm not the only one discovering that. There's a lot of screaming in the background here, but wow, that's some pretty crazy view going on. Okay, so after that nice view, we have coming to a bit of a plateau here. We're gonna continue walking, so we're gonna walk up that way. Of course, you can take the escalator, but we're not gonna do that because we had a lot of great breakfast, right? So we're gonna burn those calories, get some steps in. So gonna take you guys along and walk up. Okay, so I guess we got to the starting point with this crazy view in the background. And now we have, of course, the climb up here. So with this very nice scenery here, let's get those 999 steps started. Let's go climbing. Definitely a very good way to get your daily cardio in, and you can see some nice waterfalls here in the background. A lot of people walking here. Of course, you have the crazy view here with the clouds, so not too bad start of the day, that's for sure. See, I don't think it's gonna take too long, so see you very soon up there. Okay, so we're almost there. Only a few more steps left here. out of the 999. Definitely breaking out a bit of a sweat, that's for sure. But really good way to get the cardio and the heart rate up. There's a lot of noise, but also great rewarding views. So yeah, I guess that means I'm on the top here, so let's see what's happening here. Very good. Yes, after a bit of a walking around here, a bit sweaty, cooling down, you get to these escalators here that will take you up all the way to the top, and we have this kind of glass bridge that's supposed to be famous, so let's go up and check it out. We have all these crazy pictures in the background, not sure if you can see, but people have these wingsuits flying down and racing, you can see here, and also walking on the ropes here. I think that is pretty dangerous, not recommended. I think, yeah, here you can see it again here. Pictures, I would probably not do that. So we have like 7 escalators actually to get to the top here, so very far up. But I'm sure the view is going to be nice, so yeah, see you up there. Yeah, so now we got up to the top and all of a sudden it's a lot of sunshine here. Very nice. Let's see if we can find that bridge. Yeah, we have a platform up there, but it's not open to the public. It's only to people who feel like maybe doing a bit more daring things, like flying with the wingsuits, but we're not going to go there, so we're going to go to that more safe bridge.
We take this people up here, and then we walk here. You climbing the 900 steps to the cave, and crossing the cave. Then you take the escalator, go up. Now we are here. Later we will crossing the mountain. This is the glass passway, and we go to the cable car. The cable go up.
Fantastic, very good plan. Let's do it. Okay, so actually it seems like you can go up there. You can't go to the side plateau, of course, but you can actually go on the top. Of course, we need some more steps, so let's go out and check it out with this crazy view. I mean, how can you say no to that opportunity? You can't, so let's go. So on the way up, we got a bit of a bonus adventure. We have a nice kind of a bit table, or no, not a table, obviously, a temple here. Very, very nice garden here. You can sit and relax outside. Take it easy. So nice, I'm sure. Not so many people had access to this back in the day. Very relaxing to just sit here and take in the sounds of the nature and the blue sky here and the green trees. But yeah, let's continue walking up to the top. Just stop walking here, relaxation. You pass by this intoxicating cloud pavilion, but no beer. That's not that type of intoxication. It's more the relaxation kind. Yeah, this kind of nice pavilion here in the background and very nice views. Reminds me a bit almost like Hong Kong when I used to go there for my morning walks when I lived there 4 years. So this is higher, this is like 1,500 meters. I think Hong Kong was around 1,000, but really spectacular, so inspirational. It's just city down there, you have the nature up here. Climate is actually different, more humid, very refreshing. Nice to take a break and relax. Gonna sit down if you need. Now we're gonna go up and continue walking to the top. Okay, so I think we're officially getting up to the tallest spot of this mountain now. They have this kind of pavilion overlooking everything here. Let's climb up the stairs. Wow, yeah, we're having the final stretch here. Going up the final layer. Almost there. 5 more steps. And we are on top of the tallest place here. Definitely a lot of sunshine and a lot of clouds. And all of a sudden, the view is gone. But there's supposed to be one down here somewhere. So pagoda up there. We have the glass bridge. We have the viewing points, a lot of stuff going on down there. Yeah, it's like this when you're up. I guess now it's better again. We're kind of in between the layers of the clouds and down there. Yeah, there's a city down there somewhere. Not sure where it went, but very nice view at least. Yeah, maybe let's have a bit of a break here before we move on. Yeah, after rain comes sunshine. So yesterday it was raining, today is sunshine. And after hiking, get reward. You get apples, another healthy food here. So just gonna enjoy the view here, take a bit of this apple and relax and get some energy. So let's try it. Healthy snacks are the best view. A little bit of sugar, not too bad. Just relaxing, taking in the view here before going go and find up that glass bridge. So we just get out on the other side here now with this crazy view in the background. We're just gonna go around the corner here and then we'll get to the glass bridge. I heard the views are pretty spectacular, so it's gonna be interesting to see. Safety first, you're gonna get some shoes covers here so you don't scratch the surface. You don't wanna break the glass and fall down, right? So Gotta put this on. Oh yes, we're walking on the glass floor here with the shoes, as you can see here. Seems to be working, that's good. The engineers have been doing their job properly. You have this pretty crazy view here. I guess some people are maybe scared walking here, but I think it's very rewarding. And of course you have a photo station over there, but I think I'm gonna get my own photos. Yeah, do I need you to take photos? Why not? Let's try. I'm gonna use you instead of that one. I'm sure you do a much better job. Okay, so that was very nice, but now it's time to take off these shoe covers. Yeah, coughing. Maybe he needs to stop smoking, who knows. Lift this back and then we'll continue walking. It's actually really cool when you see down in the valley. It's kind of a small town down there. And also when you look on the other side, it's actually like a old temple over there. Supposedly we're gonna pass it by before we go down actually, so that's really nice. Looking forward to seeing that. Fantastic, so we got to the nice temple here on the top. Very peaceful, and you have all these cicadas, I think, making the noise in the background. Always great, I think, to see the local ancient culture here in the temples, you know, very torn by the wind here and all the years of tough weather on top of the peak here. Must be pretty different life living up here. Just love to see all these different types of temples and get some good cardio in when you're exploring as well. So just gonna walk around, go inside here, see what we can find. Yeah, here we have some statues, a lot of kids, other tourists. I'm sure there's more interesting stuff if you go outside. Let's see. Wow, it's a whole garden here. Really nice. You have some relaxing music here in the background. Wow, very nice here. Yeah, happy I walked away here before having a snack. I think I'm just gonna continue walking around here, enjoying a little bit, then probably take the cable car down, so see you soon. It's actually crazy nice when you're up here. You have all these nice temples here and you turn around and you actually see here. Of course you have the big buildings here leading up, and also have on the top, I guess it's a bit cloudy, small kind of pagoda on the top there. So, and you smell this incense from this burning here. I guess praying. Really, really nice. I just love this relaxing way. And you have, of course, I think maybe a bit Buddha inside. I'm not sure. You're not supposed to take so many pictures and videos inside, but always very relaxing to get to this. And the sky is so blue. Really, really nice. Good way to end this top of the mountain before going down. Yeah, I went in there. We have to be a bit quiet to respect the background here. All this hymn going on. I'm gonna not film so much here. Looks very nice. Go outside and leave this a bit more peaceful here, but so nice to see the local culture and people praying here in the background also. I will leave them alone. See you later. You never know what you're gonna get in this place. I thought I was gonna go down, but then apparently you turn around and you have this huge suspension bridge out of nowhere. The Heavenly Gate suspension bridge. Definitely a very impressive feat in itself. I mean, there's so many things going on this day. I think I'm actually gonna, take a break after this one, and we'll see the evening part in the next video. Super nice. I'm just gonna continue walking. I think it's like 40 minutes around. You can actually take a cable car and kind of cheat your way to the long cable car. We're gonna continue walking here, enjoy this view here. 40 more minutes and then we get to the very, very long cable car going down. We also have these nice little ribbons here in the back, and as you can see, apparently local people think it's magical wishes. So magical mountain, you get your wishes come true. So I hope you guys also get your wishes come true. It's really, really misty and quiet here. Nice, quite peaceful. And then you have this just basically white nothingness going on here. On the other side of the mountain, it's just clear. You have these nice things in the background, walking around along the road. Pretty dangerous here, must have been in the old times. Now you have a safe concrete road, but wow, it's like nothing in the background, just have rocks looking up here. Pretty crazy. Gotta be safe, that's for sure, but very nice, relaxing walk here around the mountain. Really nice. Yeah, apparently you can buy these wishing things here in the shop. It's crazy. You have this red ribbons everywhere here. It's pretty actually nice. But yeah, I hope I can get some success and progress in life without wishing too much, just trying to put it into action instead. But wow, this is pretty cool actually. Really nice to just walk around here and take you guys along. We'll see how long this walk is. I feel every time I think I'm gonna get back down the mountain, it's another thing behind the next corner. So we'll see where this will take us. Quite interesting. Apparently you put some small sticks under the rocks. According to the local legend here, if you have back pain, you put a stick into the rock, it will be better for your back. So yeah, hopefully I don't need that for my back yet, but it's very interesting. But I think actually these guys carrying all these very heavy waters might need that. So if you come here, maybe put the stick in for those guys. Now I actually got to the cable car station, so finally time to go down. Okay, so now we're gonna get on the longest cable car in the world apparently. It's 7.5 kilometers. It's gonna take 25 minutes to go down actually. So we're gonna jump on this one and we'll see. Sure, it's gonna be some nice views. 8 people in here. Let's sit down and enjoy the ride. Okay, so finally we made it back after that long but very enjoyable ride. It was a very nice background and the view of course was amazing, as you can see in the background. And it's been a pretty long day. It's only 2 actually, and I got in 16.6k steps already. I met up at 7, had this fantastic breakfast. Now actually I'm gonna take the car, go 3 hours to the next city. But before that I'm just gonna have a bit of a snack here, take a break. Maybe I show a little bit in the background, but I'm not gonna film it too much. But then I'm gonna stop here actually, because I think the town deserves its old video. I'm sure it's gonna be very beautiful. So I'm gonna leave you guys here. If you wanna see more of this kind of stuff, if you liked it, leave a comment, let me know I can do better. Otherwise, if you wanna see more, give me a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.